This is something you don't see every day. Look at the size of these chairs and table. Look at that. The big chairs. There's even a story behind it. There's a story behind it right there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. What's going on, guys? Pretty cool. Yeah, there's little bits all over the island that are just different. Yeah, newspaper article right there. I like that. Yeah. That's cute though, babe, isn't it? Look at that. Just stuff. Stuff to do in the islands. There's not a whole bunch, but what there is good and fun.
It's a lot of nature areas, and they have mud. They have what's those things called?
Don't know.
Where you do ATVs and the.
Oh, ATV, UTVs, a whole bunch of off-road trails, Jeep trails.
Yeah, there's Jeep trails, and they have a special Jeep run. I can't remember what time of year it is.
So.
But what's that? Those 4x or whatever.
We said it. ATVs, UTVs, side-by-sides, Jeeps.
Okay.
Yeah.
RV, camping, electric boat, and ramp. And you can do kayaking. It's a half mile down the road. You can make reservations. We're just going to do a drive-through to see what else here. That one's private property. Hiking, snowshoeing, birding, and I missed what the last one was. But I'll tell you when I find out later, since I was here as a kid, getting ready to graduate high school.
There it is. Electrical hookups.
Electrical hookups.
Trash.
Boat ramp, beach. No lifeguard. They have dumpsters. Lots of picnic tables.
If you got solar, it's going to be bad for solar because you're in the trees.
Yeah, that's true.
There might be a few spots where you'd be good for solar, but looks like every spot has electrical hookups.
They got a covered, what do you call it?
A gazebo.
Yeah, gazebo place over here, so you could probably rent that or use that
There's
for parties.
Pit toilets.
Pit toilets. I don't know if there's showers.
A whole
or
bunch of
anything.
pit toilets. Be truthful.
Yeah. Lots of picnic tables. And beautiful view of the water. We might want to go down there. It's a
Electrical hookups.
electrical hookups.
Trash.
Boat ramp, beach. No lifeguard. They have dumpsters. Lots of picnic tables.
If you got solar, it's going to be bad for solar because you're in the trees.
Yeah, that's true.
There might be a few spots where you'd be good for solar, but looks like every spot has electrical hookups.
They got a covered, what do you call it?
Like a gazebo.
Yeah, gazebo place over here, so you could probably rent that or use that.
There's
for
pit
parties.
toilets.
Pit toilets. I don't know if there's showers.
A whole bunch of pit toilets, to be truthful.
Yeah. Lots of picnic tables. And beautiful view of the water. We might want to go down there. So.
Oh, straight out.
Oh, we might not. Hang on, let me. I don't know if I did a good enough shots.
Well, I got this going as well.
Okay, thank God. Oh, there's a bunch of little islands nearby.
Yeah, if you got a kayak, this would be a perfect spot. Kind of nice though, babe.
Oh, yeah, this area, you know, if you wanted to swing. I don't know if there's something backward that way. 3, it says. And there's that area for the beach. You have to, I think you would walk there, though I don't know. Oh, because you didn't drive.
No campfires on the beach.
You can get a lot of stacked wood if people want to do a campfire back there. But on the beach you can't. remember seeing a big tree with holes in it, so I can take a picture of it to show it. But it's from the woodpeckers.
If you can see that tree right there, all those holes are made by woodpeckers getting the grubs out and stuff.
And the woodpecker is about 10 to
Yeah.
12 inches tall. This is a, I guess, demographic or map of the Heritage Trail. You have quite a few you can go down. This is called the common tansy, and it's explaining the type of flora that grows here and what type of characteristics, habitat, fun fact, warning. It's a conservation district. Here's another Heritage Trail, Drummond Island Silent Sports. Here's the Heritage Trail map. And then we have the Heritage Trail information. A week ago, everything wasn't in bloom. Now it is. It's so pretty. Oh, there's two vets in a van. I'm looking for a morel mushroom, but I don't see any yet. That was my goal. If we're coming here at this time, I wanted to go picking mushrooms, but I haven't seen any. And look at Little Bit. She wants to go hiking over there. She's run down 3 trails so far. Come on back, Bit. Good girl. Run, 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 run. I think she needs a drink of water. All right, we'll see you again in a few more. Love you. Look at these little guys. These are like wild little violets right here. We get them all the time here. They have a place for people if they want to park their RVs over here on the left. We got picnic tables back there.
Electrical hookups and water.
Electrical hookups and water. They got a playground for the kids. A big area they can run around and kick balls or whatever they want to do. One of many lakes on the island.
There is a lake called Second Lake.
Yeah, I can believe it. We always love looking at this when we drive by in a school bus throughout the year. The cypress where we're at is supposed to be dissuade insects and stuff like that. Your hand hurting or?
Has been, babe.
Maybe it's arthritis. You did do a lot of this kind of stuff in the military. We got some bunch of people up here. Hopefully they got some food left.
It's this one I want.
Well, either one.
Here's the furthest east bar in Michigan, Chuck's Place. We're at the country store, eating a coney dog, which is damn good. Picked up some Cornish pasties for later. They'll go in the freezer. There's Hope eating the hot dog. Great place.
see any antlers, so I'm going to say that's a lady one. There's one over here. Walking in the woods.
There's a mama over there.
There's a mama back there. Switching her tail around. I think this was Mr. Robinson's house in the old days. Everything I said, just go down there. Down there when I was up there.
She's right there.
She's right there eating the tall grass. So pretty.
There's a little bit. There's Hopi, and this is tonight's dinner in the air fryer. We got chicken bites and sweet potato seasoned fries. Should be okay, right?
Yep, I hope so.
Yeah, well, we'll cook it up and we'll show you what it turns out like. Hopefully good. Those look pretty good. Look,
Yep, looks pretty good to me too.
a couple more minutes. Okay, what do you think of it, babe?
Well, the chicken tastes really good, let me say. Oh, sweet potatoes are really good too.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So, our little 1,000 watt inverter, 1,000 watt air fryer, doing good.